You get a part-time job making $5,000 per month. Your manager offers a pay rise of $100 for every month that you stayed at that job. How much money do you save after 2 years? The money that you make each month follows an arithmetic sequence. First term 5,000 and common difference 100. How much money do you make after n months on the job? Adding the first 4 terms, adding the first 6 terms, adding the first 8 terms. Notice that we can pair them up because each of the 4 pairs adds up to the same amount. In an arithmetic sequence with 8 terms, all we have to do is add in the first and the 8th term and multiply this sum by half of 8. We can generalize this for any arithmetic sequence with n terms. We can use the same approach to write an expression for the total amount of money that you make after n months on the job. Adding the first and the nth term and multiplying this sum by n over 2, we just need to simplify it. Expanding bracket, collecting liked terms, and dividing each term inside the bracket by 2, we end up with an expression for the amount of money that you make after n months on the job. You can use this expression to calculate how much money you have saved after 2 years by substituting n equals 24 into the expression. This returns $147,600. Now that you know how to find the sum of any arithmetic series, explore the video on how to find the sum of geometric and telescoping series. Thanks for watching, and until next week, happy learning!